that fence is coming down. You've got more property on the other side. 15 feet?
Yep.
20? Okay. So, and you want something to block with privacy, fast growing. The obvious choice is the green giants.
Yep.
And they grow up to 60 feet tall, 18 feet wide, 15 to 20, depending on the sun. So there's a lot of sun. So you have to be really careful about where you place them. But you can go, I don't know, maybe 8 feet off of the fence, knowing that it's going to come this way. So don't plant anything on this side of them and give yourself space. But that will fill in so nicely between the dogwood and the Japanese maple, and it'd be really quick growing and a beautiful privacy barrier.
Excellent.
I don't know if you can see the perspective on this, but this might be bad news here. So we've got these trees here, this row behind me, these guys, and we've got some behind. Do you see how tall those are? And so it's a little hard with the perspective, but I'm a little worried that these will be too wide, so they'll grow into the street, and also that they're going to grow up into the wires. These are already going into the street, so that's what will happen.